Hi guys, welcome to Android Studio tutorial. In this particular video, we will learn what the package name is, why we change the package name, how we can change it, and what are the consequences for changing the package name for any Android Studio project. So let's get started. The package name is the identity of your app, which will be different for every other app. That's why it is used in the URL of the app also. There are three parts in the package name. First one is com, second one is domain name, and the third one is app name. The domain name is the name of the website. For example, my website is www.maskwithmask.com. In this case, maskwithmask.com is the domain name of my website, and it is unique for every website. That's why it is important to use a domain name in the package name, but it is not a necessity. You can choose one of your own. So let's say I have an app named All Sports. So its package name will be com.maskwithmask.allsports. Here's a question. Why do we want to change the package name? There are two reasons. First, when someone buys ready-made app with Android Studio projects from CodeCannons or Codester websites, so they must skin the app and change the package name to their own, so their app can be approved by Google Play Store. Otherwise, the app will be rejected if they have the same package name as other have. The second reason is that if someone wants to recreate their executed app that is published to Play Store and wants to completely upload a new app to the Play Store, then they also need to change the package name of their app. By the way, thank you so much. With your love and support, we are now a 700 plus community of learners. Now let's change the package name of Android Studio project. Now let's open your Android Studio and click on the create new project. Select empty activity and click next. Now let's give it a name, sample project, and also change the domain name to com.domain.appname. And we will be changing this package name inside the Android Studio. Now click finish. So now our project is ready. We will be changing package name in two places. One is here and the second one is in build.gradle file here. So let's first change here. So when you are opening the Android Studio first time, you will not see these individual. You will see these in compact form. So to change the package name, you must go to setting and unselect these compact middle packages. Now right click on the domain, go to refactor and click on the rename. Let's select rename, and here you can change the domain to your own domain. But for example, we will say sample and click on the refactor. Now let's right click on the app name and go to refactor, rename package, and here you will write your app name. I will say ABC. Refactor. Now to see the changes, let's sync the project. Now you can see that sample and ABC, the package name is changed. Now second thing we have to do is to change this package name in the build.gradle. So now select this package name and in keyboard press Ctrl Shift R. Now here we can replace the old package name with the new one. So let's write new package name and let's click on the replace all. So it will be replaced with new one. Now let's sync the project. And that's it. In these two steps, we have changed the package name in the whole Android Studio project. And by this way, you can change package name in any Android Studio project. The important part is what are the consequences of changing the package name. Let's say you have uploaded the app and it has 4K plus active users. But now you want to change the package name because of some reason. So if you change the package name, you will have the same active users, but you will not be able to update the app because of the different package name. But instead you have to publish a new copy of your app. So if you have active users, my advice is please don't change the package name. That's it for today. If you are new here, welcome to our community. Thank you so much for your love and support, and see you in the next one.